Rhymbil is now online. Hey guys and girls, today I'm going to show you how to make a clickable image using HTML. First things first, you want to start off by opening up a HTML tag and closing it down below. And inside your HTML tag, don't forget to open a body tag and close out also. Perfect, now we can move on to our image. For our image, we're going to type in image source, and this is going to be equal to an image that you have. We'll worry about that later on, but for now we're going to set up the dimensions. Thank you guys and girls for 43 subscribers, I really appreciate it. But for real, when we're done with that, you want to find your image. Awesome, I got my image right here, and to find out where it's located, multiple ways to do this, but I like to drag it into Google and copy what the URL is. So let's go ahead and copy it and paste it in our source port. And let's go ahead and save it as a .html file, and we can see how it looks. Awesome, so I got my image here, but I can't click it or do anything with it. So let's go ahead and fix that. To accomplish this, all we have to do is make an image link. To do this, we have to type in a href is going to be equal to whatever link we link it to. You can either link this to another HTML file. All you have to do is get the URL of that HTML file and paste it in here. Or as for me, I want to link it to my YouTube channel. So I copied the URL link and pasted it in here. And before we skedaddle, we have to close this tag. And guess how we close it? All we have to do is /a. Awesome. Now if we reload the page, you will now see when we click it, whoa, it takes us to a YouTube channel. That's pretty cool. And it's that easy, guys and girls. That's how to make a clickable image using HTML. Until next time, Rhymbil out.